So that is the cab off the MB Trac 1500. Not the most handiest cabs we've ever removed, but it's offer. Whether we get it back on again or not, I think the cab's not in bad shape, apart from it will need a new roof skin. As you can see, it's quite bad along front and back edges. So for a new roof skin to go on that there, plus new front and back edges, she's probably you can't really see, but it's kind of rusty around that window there. Seems to be the baddest bit around here. And inside the cab there, the floor has been, there's rust on the floor and has been expanded it up a bit. So that's it. I did notice after removing the steering column that there's a slight twist in it. You can't really notice it, but if you look straight, you can see it bent on one side. Somebody must have been trying to get her swivel at a time. Reason why, for a while, we can understand why it wasn't swiveling. There's this thing here inside the seat. It's like a ram, and it puts a pin down through. So you need to have your air built up on the tractor and your throttle fully forward to get that to work, but it wasn't working at the present time, so we just stuck that circuit under to hold it up. That there is the front over steering wheel, so hydraulic pipes that go to the steering. They're a bit of a rare looking shape. That's the dashboard, along with the big long warning which has to go away around the cab for a shortcut. Some of the wires, a bit more of the dash. That's Scarlett, my daughter. She's working away. She's cleaning the fan housing. Stuff like that there has to be cleaned up. It was covered in overspray. That stuff there is waiting to get sandblasted. And that's the 1500. Still a lot to do to her yet, but we'll get all the rest of this stuff out of the way first of all. Then it's just some of the pipes that'll be under the cab. But even though we had the tractor power hosed, there's all like grease and oil that was rotting in there. But we'll try to get them all cleaned up, and then we'll remove them there, and then the engine and the gearbox will have to come out of that tractor and get the chassis and all clean up, probably a bit of sandblast in some of the places, just to tidy it up. But let's say we'll get the cab and we'll get the rest of the stuff, paint it first and put it away, and then we'll get stuck back into her. So that's it, the MB Trac 1500.